5 Best Vacuum Cleaner 2018. The product number 5 on our list is Black+Decker HNV220BC's E01FF. The kit includes a crevice tool and upholstery brush which lets you use the vacuum on upholstery and for dusting around the house. Included charging wall mount and base allows for one-step charging and storage, and everything stores out of the way on the wall mount charging station. Black+Decker HNV220BC's E01FF Compact Lithium Hand Vacuum 2A Kit, Tech Ray is designed for quick and easy cordless cleaning. This vac is lightweight yet powerful, easy to use and easy to clean. This cordless hand vacuum has it all. Its lithium technology allows for strong suction. The lightweight and portable design makes it very easy to use. The translucent, bagless dirt bowl makes it easy to see the dirt level and is easy to empty. The product number 4 on our list is Car Vacuum Cleaner with LED Light. Multifunctional, Hycron Car Vacuum supports dry and wet application. 3 accessories, long mouth, brush, soft long tube, enables to clean the trunk and can clean every corner in your car. Powerful suction and low noise, Hycron Car Vacuum has RoHS certification. 12 volt, 106W, 4340-500 PA suction. 75 dB low noise. Can effectively clean the dust inside the car. Kindly reminder, if you need a stronger suction car vacuum cleaner, please search S&P 071WK56 brand name Hycron as well. The product number 3 on our list is Black+Decker BDH 2000L 20V. Uses replacement filter VF110. Lithium integral batteries. Constant voltage. Suction power, 16.2 Ah. No memory effect. Long battery life, holds a charge when unplugged for up to 18 months. Black+Decker BDH 2000L. The sleek BDH 2000L vacuum features a rotating slim nozzle with a built-in crevice tool and flip-up brush and is ideal for everyday clean-up of dust, pet hair and crumbs. The triple-layer, cyclonic action filtration system helps keep dirt off the filter so users can blast through large messes with long-lasting suction power. With its stylish design and washable filter and bowl. The product number 2 on our list is Black+Decker V320JRO2 Dustbuster. Lithium technology provides strong suction and extended run time, 2.0 Ah. Translucent, washable bowl and washable filter. Crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas and flip-up brush for upholstery. Cyclonic action helps keep the filter clean and suction strong. The Black+Decker V320JRO2 Dustbuster cordless lithium hand vacuum, Magic Blue, is ideal for multi-purpose cleaning in your home, garage, auto, boat. The lithium technology provides strong suction and extended run time. It has a washable bowl, 20.6 Ahs, and filter which allows for thorough cleaning between jobs. The translucent, bagless dirt bowl makes it easy to see dirt and easy to empty. The product number 1 on our list is Black+Decker BDH 2000 PL Max. Lithium technology for strong suction and fade-free power. Exclusive pivoting nozzle means huge power in a compact size. A high-performance motor provides superior suction capability. Wide mouth design scoops up large debris. For those looking for serious power, Black+Decker's all-purpose 20V Max Lithium Pivot has strong suction provided by the 20V Max Lithium-ion battery, a lightweight design for easy carrying, and a standing charging base. The pivot is not only powerful, but it's also so compact that it can be stored within easy reach to any mess. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. like, comment and share.